Welsh Acreage is an incredible opportunity to own an income-producing farm in Weld County. The property boasts 10 acres located off of County Roads 33 and 76, ideal for prospective income opportunities. The acreage features a charming 1,776 square foot main farmhouse, 2 rental homes, 4.6 acres of irrigated cropland, a waterfowl pit blind, a 1,064 square foot barn, and outbuildings. The property has 4.6 acres of flood irrigated cropland with deeded seep rights producing ample water to grow a myriad of crops. There's been prior approval for a storage unit complex on the property. Welsh Acreage is located just 1 mile from the Eaton Recreation Center and 250 yards from the new bike walking trail that goes directly to the rec center, to downtown Eaton, and to Severance, and is soon to be fully connected to the Pooter Trail. The property includes 3 beautiful homes, a 1,064 square foot well-built barn, and outbuildings. You can also enjoy the early mornings from your own private waterfowl pit blind. The well-kept, spacious main farmhouse features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, hardwood floors, updated tile bathrooms, a wood-burning stove, a detached garage with storage, updated appliances in the kitchen, a relaxing patio with a fire pit, and picturesque and closed porch. The comfortable rental homes both have their own washer, dryer, heating, cooling, and a full kitchen. One home is an 839 square foot 2-story with a bedroom and 1 bath. The other is a 1,152 square foot ranch-style single-story with 3 bedrooms, a bath, and wood-burning stove. Together, they generate $2,810 a month. Each home has its own special charm and privacy you must see to appreciate. For a qualified showing, contact John Harity today at 970-685-0645.